Hello, let's see how we can create this design. Let's come back to our Canva homepage and we can choose social media, click social media, Instagram, and let it be Instagram post. Okay, at first we need to choose a color palette. We can go to Google and we can enter Valentine's color palette and choose images, and you see a lot of colors palette. So you can choose any you want, or you can enter love color palette and choose images and choose palette, click right button and click copy. Now let's come back to our Canva page, right button and paste. And we have our color palette. Okay, now we can click on the background color, on the white color, go to colors, click document colors and choose color picker. Now we can choose color from our palette. Now let's go to the elements and we can enter cloud shape or cloud outline and choose graphics. And we can choose any cloud we want. For example, we can choose this one. We can make it bigger and we can change the colors. Click on the color, go to color picker, and we can select color. Click on other color, go to color picker, and we can change the color. If we want, we can adjust color, make it lighter. Now click on the shape and we can just duplicate and we can change the color, go to color picker and choose other color, select other color, color picker and other color. Okay, now we can duplicate again and change the colors, the color picker and the color and the second color. Now we can select our shape, go to edit and click shadows. We can choose glow shadow. We can adjust size, blur and intensity. And when it suits us, click near the design. Select other shape, go to edit and shadows and glow. Last one, shadows and glow. Now we can make it bigger, we can resize them. We can adjust position. We can go to position and layers and we can just drag our shapes. Okay, now we can go to elements and let's search for bunny love. And we see a lot of bunnies. We can choose any we want. For example, I'm choosing this one, free. We can make it bigger. If we want, we can adjust the colors. From our palette. Okay, now we can go to edit and shadows, and we can choose the same globe shadow. We can adjust size, intensity, blur, or color. Now we can go to position and we can adjust the position. We can take and drag. Okay, now we can search for text. Let's go to Elements and search for Valentine. Valentine's Day or Happy Valentine. Choose Graphics and you see a lot of texts. You see Free, where you can change the color from your palette. You will see Free and Pro, so you can choose any you want. For example, I'm choosing this one. If we want to change color and you don't see the color possibility, you can go to Edit, choose Dot Tone. You can select any Dot Tone color, or just you can go to Colors. You can pick a color, and you can pick a color from your palette, like this. Okay, I am leaving this one color, and we need to delete our color palette and go to Edit and Shadows. And we can choose the same shadow. We can adjust intensity, blur, and size. We can go to Position and we can adjust position. Now we can download our design. We can go to Share button, download, choose file type PNG, and download. Now we can add a new page, and we can delete the background. We can go to our Downloads folder. We can take our picture and drag it back to Canva. Okay, now let's go to Elements, and let's search for frames. And let's choose flat circle shape. Click on it. And now we can choose our picture and drag it to frame. We can make it bigger. Now let's go to Elements and let's search for round shadow and choose Graphics. And we see Free and Pro. We can select any we want. For example, I'm choosing this one. We can make it bigger. We can select and group. We can go to Elements and we can search for head. Choose Shapes and we see a lot of head. We can choose any we want. We can decorate and duplicate and rotate. And now we can go to Share button, click Download, choose file type PNG, select the page, and click Done. And here you go. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe, and see you next time.